Hi everybody, Scott McKinley here with Universal Accounting and Roger Knecht.
Hi there.
Right now there is something that's happening in our industry, and I wanted to take a couple moments with Roger and have Roger explain about an opportunity that's taking place that I would say that most people would think is not going to happen too often. Shed some light on what it is I'm referring to.
Exactly. It's the regulation of the tax preparers. Basically what we're experiencing here, as I describe it, is a wave. It's a wave of opportunity that I'd say in the next 1 to 2 years you're not going to experience or see anything in the near future. Basically what we've got is the IRS is regulating, really for the first time, tax preparers, requiring them, as you saw last year, getting their PTINs. They're going to regulate them, kind of watch them, but they're going to now begin testing them, and through that regulation, the PTINs, the testing, and so forth, we're going to see a change occur here in the next few years within the tax profession. People coming into the profession, we're going to have different preparers. So yeah, there's a lot going on, and now is the time to really seize the opportunity.
Okay, so what is the big thing that we want our students to capitalize on? Explain what that opportunity is going to be. Having to get a PTIN? That doesn't sound like a great of an opportunity.
All right, well, let's put it into some context here. First of all, you've got a number of people that are preparing to retire, maybe minimize or close down or downsize their tax practices. Okay. And the reason for that is because they're at a point where they don't want to play this game. They don't want to get the PTIN. They don't want to have to take tests. Imagine somebody that's in their 50s, 60s, 70s that's been doing tax preparation for a number of years. When was the last time they took a test and were certified as to their abilities to do tax preparation? They've not had to play this game. So all of a sudden, as a tax preparer, they're saying, I don't want to get involved. I'm ready to retire. I'm good to go. I'm going to step away from the profession. Now, there are a number of those people doing exactly that. Well, all these people that they've been servicing as clients, where are they going to go? Well, they're going to be looking for new tax preparers, people that have gone and gotten their PTINs and taken their tests and have become these tax professionals. And so that's something that I think is going to be just kind of one of those one-in-a-lifetime type of experiences where so many people that were kind of at the end of their tax career are just going to exit the profession simply because they don't want to play these new games.
Okay, so how can this be beneficial? What do our viewers need to do so they can capitalize on this flood to the market, basically?
Okay, well, before I answer that, let me explain one other thing. There are a number of other individuals that I refer to, I don't know how common it is, as kitchen tabletop preparers. It's the person that has maybe, let's say, 10, 15, 20 clients. Yeah. They do friends, neighbors, and it's just a side thing. They took a few classes in college, they got into taxes, they do it for a few individuals, and it's not their main gig, it's not their main employment. They just do it as a favor in many instances. So all of a sudden, they're now having to take this test and get their PTIN and such. This is just something to do as a favor for friends and family. So they're going to be exiting the tax profession as well, leaving it and not worrying about it, while the rest of us who are serious about this then are able to step in and acquire this client. So what I'm trying to tell you is there's a lot of reasons why more people that pay tax preparers are going to be on the market looking for us, you, to actually do their tax returns. Now you said, how is it that we're able to take advantage of this? Is that
what do they need to do to reach these people? How are they to take advantage of this? How do they benefit from it?
Excellent. First and foremost, you've got to get out there and start marketing your services, offering what it is that you can provide. Now, some of the things that are going to be key is how well you can position yourself in the market as a professional tax preparer. Now, as you know, Universal Accounting Center offers the professional tax preparer training, and with that you can be certified as a professional tax preparer, someone that's proficient in both individual returns and business returns. It's basically everything, obviously. So what you're trying to then is, in the marketplace, show why you're the preferred tax preparer, how you're going to help those individuals pay the least legally in taxes that they should owe. So what we want to do is focus on various marketing strategies, all of which are covered in the Professional Tax Preparer Program, as to effective, tried and proven techniques to go out and get tax clients. Okay,
you heard it. Big opportunity coming up. Big opportunity, probably not going to be the same thing happening next year from 2012 to 2013. It's right now. So this is the moment. If you've been thinking about doing something like this, get in touch with us. Ask questions about the Professional Tax Preparer Program so you can actually take advantage of what's about to happen with taxes this year.
Oh yeah, these next two tax seasons, perfect. This is the right time to ride the wave. Barrier to entry is going to be created. Come about 2014-15, you're going to have a barrier to entry that others aren't going to be jumping into, so the market's going to be very ripe for us. So
ride the wave where it takes you, because I think it's going to lead you to a positive thing. So that's all the time we've got. Remember, if it's about accounting, it's universal.
And accounting success is universal.
Thanks, guys.
Take care.